have so many questions about Jacob Wolf and his house. We must learn more. From our house to his house, forth we go. It's so cool how much history is here and how far back it goes. You know, you think about the fact that this building has been here for 190 years. We drove down a steep road to get here, so it felt real adventurous getting off the pavement. That's what we like to do. We are headed to, as it says, Twin Falls. We are gonna get in this water. It's blue like that because it's real cold.
Let's go! We're diving in.
1, 2, 3.